Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick video, swatch review and tutorial, I am doing the Elcie Cosmetics, the Eclipse highlighter in the particular shade Soul. Now they do have two different shades. This is the more gold undertone with, I would describe it as an icy gold, but they do have an icy pink one that is called Luna as well. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and swatch Soul. As you can see, it definitely has that icy gold reflection. It's beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. It is cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, and it has everything you need for a sheer and lustrous appearance. The texture applies smoothly and blends on your skin effortlessly. The formula gives your skin a wet and radiant finish and holds all day. Now, I do want to mention that I am doing the tutorial and I'm putting it all over my face in this video. So here I am applying it as an eyeshadow. It isn't an eyeshadow, but it actually looks beautiful on the eyes. So I used my finger at first because that has the more pigmented finish in my opinion, but then I also used a flat eyeshadow brush to kind of create a soft cut crease. And it definitely gives your eye a pop, and I also used the excess on the brow bone, so I created a simple, easy look with the Soul Eclipse highlighter on my eyes, as you can see. I'm also placing it on the inner corners, and I also want to mention that in my opinion, this highlighter is so unique and different. It does retail for $32 for one highlighter. It comes with a mirror. It's super luxurious feeling and looking. But back to my quick tutorial, I'm moving on to this angled brush and I'm applying the highlighter to the high points of my face, like the cupid's bow, the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, and the brow bone. But we're going to go ahead and move on to the actual highlighter on the cheeks area, and as you can see, it is so buildable and beautiful and radiant and glowing. It could be natural if you wanted, or you can build it up to a super glowy, almost glassy skin-like look. This is a close-up of the product. It's definitely icy champagne gold on my medium to tan olive skin. I do want to mention that I do have dry to normal skin as well, and it doesn't accentuate my dryness, but it makes my skin look almost wet-like. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. I also do want to mention that on the Elcie Cosmetics website right now in December of 2018, it is free shipping till the end of the month, and there is a sale going on with this particular shade Soul and their other shade Luna, which has like a pink undertone, which is like an icy pink in my opinion, and you get two for $51 instead of the regular $32 for one. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all next time. May you have a glowy holiday. Bye.